Hi, Brandon.
Hi.
How's it going?
Bonjour.
I'm just gonna keep saying hello.
I wish I could do French.
I can count French.
Good for you.
Une, deux, trois, quatre. Une, deux, trois, quatre, it's like and then sect or whatever. And then I can kind of inject. I think you use like Matt, you choose me. I have a song that. Wait, can I get on?
Well, I'm not recording you.
I have a song. You know the Captain Ten? Yeah, that's the one. I know. That's how I learned it.
That's attractive.
Yeah. Hakuna Matata.
It means no.
What a wonderful
Right.
I'm so glad you can do another chorus. Is it camerata or chorus?
No, we're doing line sleep.
That's what I mean, but
Chorus.
yeah.
But it's only.
I like that though. I think it's cool.
Yeah, you go freakishly high. It kind of scares me.
What do you have? Your friend? I don't know when.
That thing, and then it goes into like the merchants, and then there's like a desk cam, and it's, I think it's me and Devin that is on.
I thought Damon's doing it too.
I don't know.
I'm kind of excited to listen. And that's the period.
Hey, do you guys care if I put this on YouTube?
Oh my gosh.
Stop playing with my cookie pen.
And the mother was supposed to be all calm, but it wasn't working. It's just like, oh, yes, there's no point to it.
My cookie.
Classic.